Hello, welcome to Skills and Learning Development. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how from a Naukri portal or Naukri.com, recruiters are searching for the potential candidates. This video could be helpful for the new recruiters who are learning this platform and who never see this platform. So it's a latest version which I'm showing you here. So this will be helpful for you to how to search into this. And for candidates, this could be helpful in terms of how recruiters are looking for the candidates. So it becomes important for them to update each and every field, as I mentioned in another video. So they should be active on the Naukri and other portals if they are using for the job search, and every day they should update their profile as well as a resume. So that will be helpful for the recruiters to pull up their profile and it will come automatically on the top. So in this video, I'll show you step by step what features and what criterias and are available in the Naukri portal and how recruiters are feeling those. So I'll take one ready-made examples here. I won't put manually everything. So let me fill this profile here. So here we are looking for one of, let me, field operations executive. So here what all fields we have put it, the field operation, which is important for a field operation executive or manager. So and the remaining things which is showing, so let me talk about first this. So with star, blue star mark, which means that this key skill is mandatory, that it should be available in their resume or in their profile. So and second, without marking the star, which means if it is available, fine. If it is not, then also it's fine. So similarly, from the same areas or similar areas, we have put it these key skills and excluding skills. So we don't require anyone from the bank, insurance or telesales side. So even we can exclude this. It will not come anyway when you select these all. So here comes your experience, what experience you require, and locations. So location will pull from for the candidates whoever are in Bangalore and nearby area. Yep, and preferred location. This option includes the candidates where they have put it their preference as above locations. But we don't want these because candidate should be in Bangalore and in these areas, nearby areas. And next comes the salary part. So based on the budget, we are putting all the salaries here. And sometimes what happens, candidate, if they are not willing to mention their salaries into their profile, that's fine. Even those will get included once the recruiters check this checkbox. So yeah, so but it's advisable that you should always update your salary because this makes sense to pull your profile accordingly, because otherwise if you have not updated your salary properly or with the exact number, it's a wastage of time for the recruiters as well. If your profile is not matching with them, then they may approach you wrongly and maybe you could be the wrong person for these positions. So that's the one reason you should always update your salary. So coming to the next part, employment detail, department and role. If you are familiar, you can update. We have all the options here. You can select one, agriculture or something, for example, in this case, or it's not available, and pest control or something if it is available. No, it's not available. So if it in case it's available, you can select that. Industry, again we have options you can select. So now industry, let's agriculture. You see, fertilizer and agriculture. So in that way you can select these. Yep, and company, if you want to choose from a specific company, that you can put here. If you know that, okay, I'll get the candidates there. In that way you can search. And then coming to the add exclude company. So say for example, you can a recruiter who is searching for their client or for searching for their company directly, so they can exclude their own company from this by putting that company's name here. Then comes the next designation. What designation they are looking for, they can put here. So with the name of that designation, whichever candidates are available into database, they will pull out. Search in current designation or in past designation also, you can search previous or current designation. In that way you can choose this one. And notice period based on the requirement, if you are looking immediately, so then you can select these two option, or if you are comfortable with 1 month notice period, then you can choose the other one as well. Now coming to the education part, so any UG, PG, so those you can specific UG. Any UG means any graduate person. Specific UG means if you are looking for agriculture, BSc agriculture something, so say BSc, yeah, let's put agriculture BSc, yeah. This is what we require, and full time it should be, and it's not required to update because we already have updated the experience there. Yeah, any PG, specific PG, or PG could be any. If you not required, only graduation required, you just select the graduation only. Diversity, because of depending on the roles, so sometimes requirement comes if you require the female candidates or male candidates, so specifically you can mention, or otherwise all candidates is the person, or in case you are looking for the person with disabilities, so that option is also available here. And candidate category, it's not required, nobody puts here, but it's just for reference. Age limit, if you want to provide that, you can say, for example, in this, so 20 to 30 will work for us. And then comes work detail, show candidates seeking the job title, and it's not mandatory, but you have options, you can update that. Work permit for not required, all candidates. New registration, modified candidates, so show only candidates with the verified number, and once you hit the search, it will show up the candidates. So candidates who have updated their profiles recently or who are active on the Naukri recently, those will come up in the database when it will be visible. And whoever updated, it comes in that order itself whenever their profile or they were active on the Naukri portal. So that's how it works. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.